Welcome to AI for Business Owners, the show where we break down artificial intelligence into practical, revenue-generating strategies for your business. I'm Alex.
And I'm Ben. Today we're diving into 4 areas where AI is no longer a buzzword, but a powerful workhorse.
Okay.
We're talking customer support, writing proposals, supercharging your CRM, and finally, taming the beast of process documentation.
Let's jump right in with customer support. Ben, we've all been trapped in that automated phone menu nightmare.
Yeah.
Endlessly pressing buttons. How is AI rescuing us from that?
It's a total paradigm shift, Alex. Forget rigid, keyword-based bots. We're now in the era of generative AI agents from companies like Zendesk and Cognigy. Right. These AIs understand natural human language, so a customer can just type, "Hey, the product I ordered arrived broken." And the AI comprehends the sentiment and context. Then it initiates the right workflow.
So it's not just about being available 24/7.
No.
It's about being helpful 24/7. For a business owner listening right now, what's the bottom line impact?
It's a double win. First, the ROI is undeniable. Some platforms like Ada are reporting cost per ticket reductions of up to 78%.
Wow.
But more importantly, it elevates your human team. Instead of answering "what's my tracking number" all day,
Right.
your experienced agents can handle the truly complex, high-touch issues, acting as super agents augmented by AI.
I love that concept. It's not man versus machine.
Exactly.
It's man with machine. Now, from supporting existing clients to winning new ones, let's talk proposals.
Yes.
This is a huge time sink for so many businesses.
You're not kidding. The classic all-nighter to meet a proposal deadline is something most of us know too well.
Oh yeah. How's AI tackling that?
It's obliterating the blank page problem. I was looking into a tool called AutoGen AI, and the numbers they're staggering.
Okay.
We're talking a 70% increase in drafting speed and, get this,
Yeah.
a potential 241% increase in win rates.
141% increase? How is that even possible?
I know. It can't just be writing better sentences.
No, it's about intelligence and relevance. You connect the AI to your company's knowledge base, all your past proposals, case studies, team bios. Then you tell it, draft a proposal for a mid-sized tech firm. It doesn't just fill a template.
Right.
It pulls the most relevant data and drafts a highly customized document in your company's unique tone of voice.
Wow.
So your team's job shifts from writer to, editor and strategist.
That's a profound shift in how a sales team operates, and it perfectly connects to our next point, managing all that client data in a CRM. So often, CRMs become data graveyards, just filled with notes no one ever reads.
Exactly. You're about to call a client and you have to speed read a year's worth of email threads.
Right.
It's impossible.
This is where AI summarization is a quiet hero. Platforms like HubSpot are now embedding AI that acts like a research assistant.
Okay.
You open a client record, and at the top is a neat bulleted summary. Last contact on June 5th. The client was concerned about budget, but is a strong advocate for product B. The key decision maker is Sarah.
Whoa.
Instantly, you have the context to have a meaningful personal conversation.
That's brilliant. You're turning that passive data into active intelligence.
Yep.
That feels like it makes the entire organization smarter. Okay, that brings us to our final topic, and it's a big one.
It is.
Standard operating procedures, or SOPs.
Yes, the task that everyone agrees is vital,
Yes.
but no one actually wants to do.
Precisely. But what if creating an SOP took less time than making a cup of coffee? I was looking into a tool called Scribe, and its method is genius.
Oh?
You simply click record in your browser, perform a task like you normally would, say processing an invoice, and then you click stop.
Don't tell me it does what I think it does.
It does. The AI automatically generates a perfect step-by-step guide,
No way.
complete with annotated screenshots and written instructions. The hours spent on tedious documentation are condensed into minutes.
Wow.
You're not just documenting a process, you're creating a scalable asset for training, onboarding, and consistency across the entire business.
So to bring it all together, these aren't just four separate tools.
Right.
These represent a new way of operating where AI handles the repetitive, data-heavy tasks, while humans are free up to focus on strategy, relationships, and creative problem solving.
Exactly. These tools are here, they're accessible,
Yep.
and they're delivering real results for businesses right now. Now, here's a question we'd like you to think about. If you could wave a magic wand and instantly solve one of these four operational headaches in your business, be it customer support, proposal writing, CRM management, or process documentation, which one would it be and why?